about Wendy Williams saga?
To me, I feel like it's about time.
Yes.
She has the money. She doesn't need. She has her children. Fuck that shit.
Yes.
Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby tell me who's that? Look back, baby make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby.
Hi guys, happy Easter. This is Uche. Don't you guys like her? This is Oyibo woman. She's so light skin. For you, those of you who don't understand what Oyibo means light skin. And this is natural. It's no bleaching cream.
Are you serious?
There's no bleaching. And she be Igbo. For those of you who will be thinking, is she a white woman? She's Niger, pure Niger, light skin. Look at her. Uche Swani Igbo, say something in Igbo. Kedu means how are you? Mirabel, what do you think about Wendy Williams saga? What do you have to say about this?
I just feel that the way the whole thing unfolded, it's really sad because she, based on the story, she's the one making the money, and for the guy to spend her money and go on another woman, seriously, to me that was a no. Like, it's not like he's the one making the money.
So you will do the same thing, you will divorce your man if your man ever do something like that, right? Are you giving it a second thought?
I'll deal with him.
What will you say? How do you feel about Wendy Williams saga?
To me, I feel like it's about time.
Yes.
She has the money. She doesn't need. She has her children. Fuck that shit.
Yes.
Yeah.
Screw him, right?
Yes,
That's where you
an
belong,
asshole.
right?
The guy is an asshole.
Yes. I believe I'm with you on that one. Yes. So how do you feel, sweetheart, about Wendy Williams?
When you have everything, I believe the girl have everything. What she needs is just to be happy.
That's right.
That's all.
Yeah. Chinwe, how do you feel about
I love
Wendy?
my happiness.
Yes.
If you give me shit,
On the way.
you're going.
But you know what? A lot of people on social media are throwing shades at Wendy Williams. They are saying that those are the kind of things that she come to her show and she talk about other people, other marriages that break down, and she takes pleasure in criticizing other people. And now this is her turn.
Well,
do you guys feel so sorry or empathy, or what do you have to say in that aspect?
I think when it's happening to some other people, you won't really know how you feel.
Yes, it has.
When
it
it's
has
happening to you,
exactly.
you know what to do.
Yeah.
I'm for her. I'm for Wendy Williams.
So what is really the thing that really breaks your mind about this? Is this because this another woman had a baby for Kevin? That's his name, right? Kevin Hunter, or is it because he bought this $200 and something thousand-dollar car, or is it because he bought a house for
Everything about it.
He did a lot. He did a lot. Like, you know
Everything
what?
about it is nonsense.
Yeah.
He did so much to that lady. She's been going through a lot.
Yeah.
It's just out
There's
there.
a
No
lot. It's a
woman
lot for one person.
No
Yes.
woman deserves that.
And as far as I'm concerned, she should take him to court and clean him out.
I'm telling you.
I agree. But he's asking for $10 million.
That's bullshit.
That's the
He's
thing.
so cheap. Only $10 million.
He's
That's
asking for $10 million. So
so cheap.
he's the one asking.
He is so cheap. You can imagine.
cheap.
So cheap. And you know what I think? I think that Sharina would throw him out one on.
Oh, of course.
I don't see him
Because there's no money coming anymore.
Yeah,
Like, there's no money.
I think we're blogging.
We are doing vlogging, guys. The guys are over there. They don't want to be in the video, and we are here viewing and saying our own view and opinion about Wendy Williams. Do you guys have anything to say about Wendy Williams? You guys you don't have to be in the video. You don't have to be in the video, but what do you think? Yeah, what do you think about Wendy Williams? You don't have to be in the video. You are not in the video. Okay, so you don't know. Let me tell you guys. So you guys think that everybody in the world knows Wendy Williams?
No.
Our guy here
They don't
does
know.
not. He doesn't give a hoot about Wendy Williams. So, Mr. Oga on the other side, what do you have to say about Wendy Williams? The other Oga. No. What do you have? He doesn't know Wendy Williams either. So what do you have to say about Wendy Williams saga?
Stop.
He doesn't know when.
I thought that you believed in me, but I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I don't trust you. And darling, I'm bleeding, and your love killing. I show you up. I thought that you believed in me, but I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I guess that you believed in me, but I don't trust you. I don't trust you.
Baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Cause you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Can you feel up my fantasy? Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pour me out, say me pour me out. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me all. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Cause you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me.